Okay, we're gonna show you all Titanic. Okay, so this one is a bit more complicated. It's not too bad as long as you know what you're doing. You need to communicate with your partner. So the way you begin this move, two-hand hold as always. Guys, you're gonna put your partner into the cuddle, but then you're just gonna let go. Ladies, you're gonna put your arms straight out, like you're in the Titanic. And then fellas, you're gonna put your arms right under hers and start to lean back and use that momentum to bounce her back up. As she's moving forward, this move is continuous, you don't pause at all. Girls, you're gonna have to really use your core muscles for this. It's really important to keep you stabilized, keep you safe. Guys, you're gonna put your hands on her hips, right into your palms. And as you go forward, you're just gonna hold her for a second and then pull her back up.